Hello guys, welcome again to another qualification video. So today we are going to qualify for determine the usefulness of a page for a given query and image. This one here, okay? So this is the hit we are going to qualify for. As now you can see it has 14k hits. So let's log into our accounts and let's qualify for this, okay? As you can see, there will be 15 questions in the qualification test. So let's start. So in this Hitapp, we've been provided with the user query, this one, the location of the query, and the user and the query intent, this one. So the query intent will give you more information about what the user was trying to look for in the when he or she typed the information, okay, this one. Again, we've also been provided with the site where the information about the user query has been provided. So our task is to determine whether the information provided here at the right hand side fully satisfy the query and the query intent, or partially satisfy the query. So if the information fully satisfied the query, just click on fully satisfied, then very satisfied, then you submit. If it partially satisfied, click on partially satisfied, then you submit. If the information provided here is irrelevant to the user query, just click on disappointed here and you submit, okay? And if the page at the right hand side is giving an error message, just come down here and click on page is broken, then you submit, okay? And if you see a capture test on the page, open that page in a separate tab and pass that required test so that you can judge the actual page, okay? A capture test will not deem the page to be broken. So if you see any capture test in the page, just open that capture test in a new tab, then finish that test so that you can see the actual information in the page, okay, and judge that page. So with all that, guys, let's start qualifying for this. And in case, guys, if you see any information that is detrimental or nudity or some weird images that are detrimental to someone, just come and click on detrimental here, then you submit, okay? If the page is in a foreign language apart from English, just click on pages is not in English, then you submit. So let's do this. United States curriculum movie gear. So Caligula. So like this one, I can see the information is not the same. So I just come down here and click on disappointed, then I submit. Let's check. Yes. Let's go to the next one. Champion shoes for men. Champion shoes for men. And Champion shoes is American manufacturer. Oh, Champion shoes is American manufacturer of clothing. This brand mostly, okay. So shoes, Champion men shoes, this one. Yeah. So for this one, let's check. Yeah, this one, the query is from United States. So I'll come and click on very satisfied, then I submit. And yes, we are correct. We go to the next one. World map wallpaper, United States. So a colored world map, picture in good quality and quantity. So world map. So let's check. What's this? World map wallpaper, high resolution. Okay, let's open it in a new tab. Yeah. World map wallpaper, high resolution. So this one, which country? Wallpaper Safari. So for this one, I'll come and click on very satisfied, then I submit. And yes, we are correct. We move to the next one. Big eyes. So first of all, this one will not be fully satisfied because already the prices here are not in dollars. So this one is not a United States query. Doesn't satisfy that. So let's check the query intent first. The Big Eye. So this one is a movie. It's a film. That's the query intent. So edit. Big eye, ultraviolet eye, colored contract lens. No. The comedy drama movie. Okay. So edit big eye. Big eyes. So I don't know if this guy was looking for the movie or the person wanted to know about the lenses because because the query intent is talking about the movie, but now the site is talking about lenses. Big eye. So for this one, let's take I'll click on I can't judge, then I submit, and no, and they haven't given us any reason. So the information, the correct answer I think is partially satisfied. So you try that on your side and see if it will match. It will be correct, okay? But the information is not very satisfied because first of all, the pricing here is not in dollars. So that one disqualified from being fully satisfied, okay? So try on your side, try partially satisfied because cannot judge also is wrong. Anyway, let's continue. Jelly roll wrapper. Jelly roll wrapper. United States, the most likely intent. Image intent is to show pictures of jelly roll wrapper, an American rapper whose name is Jason Difford. Okay, so jelly roll. So this one is fully very satisfied because the information is about this guy, and this is his YouTube page. So I'll click on very satisfied, then I submit, and yes, we are correct. We go to the next one. Okay, this one, Reuters, United States. The query is for a historical representation of a figure. Reuters from, okay, Rome. From Rome. Film Rome. Is the site in English really? Let's open it in a new tab. Okay guys, so the site is not in English, so this one won't be fully satisfied. To want the very satisfied, no. So okay, so let's move to the next one. Adidas gold logo. Adidas gold logo. So let's try giving them very satisfied, then let's submit and see. And yes, we are correct. We move to the next one. Vinegar usage. So the query is about vinegar usage. 30 ways. So this one I'll come and give it very satisfied, then I submit. And yes, we are correct. We move to the next one. Black ripped jeans for men. Black ripped jeans. Now let's check now. The pricing is in different language. The pricing is in euros. The location is for United States, so I'll give it partially satisfied, then I submit. And yes, we are correct. We move to the next one. Equity. So this one is what? So let's check. Yeah, $7,000. Aquitas 93 F1. We're looking for 7,000. So for this one, I'll give it partially. Because this one is another make. We are looking for 7,000. And this one, they are giving us 150. Looking for specific replacement part. So a specific replacement part. So for this one, let me just give it disappointed. Okay, let's check. Yes, we are correct, because in the query intent here, they're saying the query is looking for a specific replacement part. The intent is to replace a broken blind door. And here we've been, it was about A7000 bleeder door, but we've been given F150 bleeder door. Okay, so let's continue. Toyota Corolla GTS 1988 for sale, California, United States. So let's check. Toyota Corolla. Okay, 1988. Okay, is it for sale also? Yeah, 1987. So for this one is Toyota 1988. So this one, your fleet support. So for this one, I'll come and click on fully satisfied. Then I submit. And yes, we are correct. We move to the next one. Ariana Grande. Yes. Ariana. Ariana Grande. Now that's the picture for Ariana Grande. So let's check the query intent first. The user is most likely interested to know more about the famous American singer Ariana Grande. Okay, so I'll come and click on very satisfied, then I submit. And yes, we are correct. We move to the next one. Bridget Page. Intent of this query is that the person in search is searching for the porn star. Oh, this one is a porn star. Goes by the screen name of. Okay. Now, is this detrimental now or is just okay? It's talking about a porn star. Let me just give it very satisfied because I don't see any nudity in these pictures, even though this person is a porn star. Anyway, let's check. First, no. So in other words, even if you find any porn star name, just click on the incremental. So the information we were supposed to click on the incremental, okay? Because this one is a porn star. So I hope you've seen that, guys. Don't get it wrong on your side. Let's continue. Carol Brunette main cast. So for this one, let's check the query intent. This is looking for image of Carol. Okay. So for this one, I'll come and click on very satisfied, then I submit. Whoa. Wait. Whoa, it was supposed to be partially satisfied. Wait. The user is looking for image of Carol Brunette show main cast. Shows main cast. A TV series. Okay. A TV series which aired from. Okay. So happy birthday. And the content in the information is talking about the person's birthday. Okay, so it was partially. So for this one, guys, when you see it, click on partially satisfied, okay? Because the user was looking for a show of this person, brunette, but we've been given the information that we've been provided with is about her birthday party. So click on partially satisfied, okay? So let's continue. So 2018 calendar, United States. 2018 from January to December. Okay, so this one, I'll come and click on very satisfied, then I submit. And yes, guys, we've passed the qualification test. Even though we've wronged some, I hope you've seen the queries that I've wronged, so don't get them wrong on your side. So just be careful, and please share this video with your friend in case you find any value in it. And also, in case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload new videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.